Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Kamina Johnson-Smith today updated the public on Popcaan's status in the UK. Now, in a tweet, she stated that checks with the Home Office advised that the artist was released. She added that, quote, "We further confirm that his stop and check was not at the instance of the government of Jamaica. We also conveyed to the Home Office a letter from his attorney at law who may update the public as seen fit," end quote. In speaking with E-Prime, Popcaan's lawyer Bert Samuels has labelled Popcaan's treatment by the London airport as harassment.
The government of Jamaica has put a red flag on Andre Sutherland's name, otherwise called Popcaan. I'm convinced that this is so, and therefore the tweet has gotten great public attention, and as a consequence I was contacted this morning by the Jamaican High Commission in London to provide certain information on Mr. Andre Sutherland, part of which is that he has no criminal record in Jamaica or elsewhere.
He also noted that Popcaan was delayed and not detained in the UK.
Consistently, Mr. Sutherland Popcaan has been delayed, and may I make this clear, he has never ever been detained in the US, in the UK rather, or elsewhere.
This comes after Popcaan shared this video calling on Prime Minister Andrew Holness to assist, adding that this was not the first time he was allegedly detained based on what he claims is information from Jamaica.
And in the UK they gotta give me this paper and detain me because of information that was sent by my country that I should be stopped every time I'm here. I wonder why.
Back in January, Popcaan shared that he was stopped by immigration authorities while in transit to the UK from Africa. Grammy Award-nominated reggae artist Skip Marley has been chosen as a youth ambassador for the 2022 Jamaica Poetry Festival. The festival is slated for this August and will kick off with a creative writing workshop as well as an art exhibit featuring the works of a number of artists, including Neville Garrick and Professor Clinton Hutton. Following the festival, Skip Marley is scheduled to continue on his Change Tour. Now, the tour is slated to kick off on September 17 and will run through to October 17.
She wanna catch a vibe, she wanna spend some time into the light, into the light. She wanna catch a vibe, she wanna free her mind.
The Change Tour originally kicked off in March and has seen the reggae artist making stops in Florida, Toronto, Atlanta, and Washington, D.C. Singer and beauty mogul Rihanna is now the youngest self-made female billionaire in the United States. Forbes unveiled its 2022 list of America's richest self-made women earlier this week, which sees the Barbadian national hero listed among America's richest self-made women for the third year in a row, ranking 21st overall. Rihanna is the only billionaire under 40 on the list, with a net worth of $1.4 billion thanks to her entrepreneurial endeavors, including Fenty Beauty, Fenty Skin, and Savage X Fenty. Rihanna is followed by 41-year-old reality star and entrepreneur Kim Kardashian, who has a net worth of $1.8 billion. I'm Adrian Gordon reporting for E-Prime.